Yo, what is up everyone, Codes here. About a week ago, I switched from this old iPhone 7 to this brand new Samsung Galaxy A71. The difference is astounding. Before we get into today's video, I wanted to just first mention that I am neither an Apple fanboy nor a Samsung fanboy. I just am indifferent, and that's why I can switch between the two softwares and hardwares so easily. Now, I had been using iOS for the most part for years. Since 2017, I had an iPhone 5S in 2017, upgraded to a 7 a couple of years later, and then just this year, week ago, upgraded to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And today, I want to talk a bit about the Samsung Galaxy A71 and do my review a week into owning it. So, the Samsung Galaxy A71, I feel like I need to start off by saying it is a phone that is miles better than the iPhone 7. The Samsung Galaxy A71 has 4 cameras on the back, which immediately makes it a much better option for taking photos than the iPhone 7 with its 1 camera on the back. The screen is also much larger than I had originally had on the iPhone 7. The Samsung Galaxy A71 has a 20:9 aspect ratio, which is miles better than the screen you'll find on the old iPhone 7. The Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display provides such a crystal clear image that I wouldn't be able to show you without screen recording, but I just want to show you guys this real quick. It's not going to show very well on my camera, my webcam, but I also want to show you guys how it has an in-screen fingerprint scanner on a phone that costs about 700 Australian dollars. You gotta be happy with that. And yes, the price point. Of course, the price point, as I mentioned, is about 700 Australian dollars. It's $699 in the recommended retail price. The iPhone 7, of course, currently runs the latest version of iOS and will upgrade to iOS 14 later in the year. The Samsung Galaxy A71 runs the latest version of Android and will presumably upgrade to the next version of Android and possibly the version after that. The customization options on iOS, as you would all know, are few and far between. However, on Android, you can customize basically everything about your phone, including how the user interface looks, how the icons look, how the background looks with a moving background, with just anything about the phone, you name it, you can customize the software. On iOS, it really doesn't give you that functionality. I haven't played around with the customization options much on this phone yet, but I plan to do so in the coming months. But I find that the original Samsung interface is very intuitive, and I wouldn't be so willing to change that about it. Next up, if we talk about speed, I have noticed that the Samsung Galaxy A71, in my opinion, is faster when doing the tasks I do day to day than I would see on this iPhone 7. Although, it's not really that fair of a comparison given the fact that the iPhone 7 is a 2016 phone, whereas the Samsung Galaxy A71 is a phone from this year, 2020. All in all, my final opinion and my stance on the matter is that the A71 is better by far, and I'm very happy with my upgrade, and I'm also looking to sell my iPhone 7 soon since it has served me very well. If you did enjoy today's video and want to see more, please do hit that like button, tap that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video by me. And I guess I will catch you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.